In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp for the year 2025. Getting your emails to potential customers in an efficient and personalized manner is key to building a strong relationship from the start, and that's exactly what we'll cover. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless welcome email automation ready to go. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account, so if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and enter your login details now. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Automations. This is the section where the magic happens, providing you with tools to automate various email campaigns, such as our welcome email. Next, you'll face a choice. Select either All Journeys or Classic Automations. Both have their unique features, so pick one that best suits your style or needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, either option will work since the goal remains the same. Once you've made this choice, you'll proceed by clicking on Build from Scratch, followed by selecting Sign Up for Email under the Welcome New Signups category. This sets the stage for welcoming new members into your community. Now that you've initiated the creation of a welcome email, you'll need to specify which audience or email list will receive this correspondence. Selecting the correct audience here is crucial because you want your new subscribers to feel acknowledged and valued right away. Moving on, it's time to set a trigger for your automation. You'll choose when someone joins your audience, as this will ensure that the welcome email is sent exactly when a new member signs up. Here's a handy tip. You can decide on a delay for when this email is sent. It could go out immediately, or you might prefer an hour's delay depending on what feels right for your communication style. With your trigger all set, you're going to add an action. Choose Send Email and then give your email a name. Something catchy and reflective of your brand, like Welcome to our community. Now the fun part begins as you get to flex your creative muscles with Mailchimp's email builder. This tool offers a multitude of design options, allowing you to fully customize your content and make it as engaging as you need. Once you're satisfied with the design, hop into preview mode to see how everything looks. Pay attention to the layout and graphics, ensuring that everything displays correctly across various devices. This leads us to sending a test email. It's essential to verify its appearance not just on desktop but also on mobile devices to ensure your message looks fantastic everywhere. Finally, with everything looking just right, it's time for the big moment. Click Turn On to activate your automation, and there you have it, your welcome email is ready to roll, greeting each new subscriber with a warm and professional touch.